Hello, my name is Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot a lot of video. This way you can get a walkthrough tour of the home and just make a decision. Is this something that really fits what I'm looking for? Or do I want to keep looking? And if you're looking, give me a call. I'm happy to help. I grew up in this neighborhood and I've been doing this for 24 years. Now, we're in a very special spot. We're right at Bluff Cove. This is called Bluff Cove. They surfed here in the 50s, even earlier. And you've got the trails that go down to the cliff. Some of them are a little more dangerous, but there's an easy one over there. And you have all this preserve and parkland. And this is the place for sale. So if you look next to it, you see it's quite a steep slope. This is the last house on this segment. And it needs some work. It's in a little bit of disrepair. So, garage down below. And you start going up. Oh, there's a little patio area here. That's cool. Stepping on in. Wow. That's pretty neat. Very different. So step down living room, fireplace, neat mirrors. Little pond. Look at that. They do have some gutter control there, which is really important. But it's also a really steep hill in the back. Walking through, you do have a stained glass and a guest bath. I like the way they did the tile here, that's really cool. This is your dining room, so kitchen's gotta be on this level, which is nice. So you're not going up too high.
The house is 3,042 square feet, the lot is over 14,000 square feet.
Hi. Wow. Just imagine. You'd see all the surfers here. There's surf down there in that spot. It's really cool.
Same owner since 1982. What's been disclosed to me is that anytime
There's a half bath here.
that's
And the deck's in a little bit of disrepair. Wow, this might be the master. Wow. It's got air conditioning. Neat. It's got glass in the ceiling. It's pretty wild. Here's laundry and then some other work. Wow, and then they ripped the carpet out. There is a lot of people, and I heard it was super busy over the weekend too. This is what they call Jack of Chill. This room's cool. I like the rafters. It's kind of neat too. Light well, and it goes down to the kitchen. It's kind of cool. And we still have one more room. They did the rafter thing here too. It's cool. And here's the slope in the back. You could probably terrace it. All right, so look, you definitely got a lot of work to do here, but this is priced really well. And there's just not a lot with this kind of view. So if you're thinking or you want to talk about what this might entail, there are things to be considered here with regards to the city and what they'll allow you to do, because we do have a homeowners association in this city, and that they have basically architectural control. But when you have a view like this, you got a lot to work with. I mean, looking up the point like that is gorgeous. So yeah, for more information, give me a call, or to get a private showing, you know what to do. Thanks, and make it a great day.